Here is how to get all contacts saved on WhatsApp onto your phone book. So if you're facing this issue where a certain contact only shows up in WhatsApp, for example, this contact which I saved only shows up in WhatsApp, and if I go to my phone book, you can see that no contact comes. So to solve this, it's really simple. Just head back to WhatsApp. Once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right. Go to Settings and then click on Privacy and select Contacts. That's here. And you can see this option, WhatsApp Contacts, is currently enabled. What we have to do is disable it, but ensure one setting is on. So if I try and disable it, and before we do it, I'll quickly explain what is going to happen. So they've said that they will delete all contacts which are saved to your WhatsApp account. So all the contacts that you've saved directly on WhatsApp, they'll all get deleted. But the last line says that you can still save the contacts to your phone so you don't lose them. So now I'll just click on delete and you can see WhatsApp contacts is disabled. And now I'll go back to my phone app and let's see if the contact has come. And you can see it works and the contact has come here. And one more thing you can do is just enable the feature again. So I've come back here and I'll just enable it again so that all the contacts which I save, at least they'll get synced with my account. And the next time I want to get it to my phone, I can follow the same steps. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.